Hi, I'm Jason Wilk, and in today's video we'll be showing you how to install a 901/78Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on this top handle chainsaw model CS271T. Before we get started, we'll just go over a few items we'll need to perform the maintenance. First, we'll need safety glasses. We'll also need a 19mm spark plug wrench, of course the YouCan maintenance tune-up kit, and then also a piece of wire to go ahead and pull the fuel filter out of the fuel tank. In order to replace the air filter and the spark plug, we'll first go ahead and make sure the ignition switch is in the stop position, and we'll also just make sure the chain brake is clicked forward into the on position. To remove the cover, we'll simply unthread the air filter cover knob counterclockwise, and then go ahead and pull the cover off to the side, which will give us access to our spark plug. To replace the spark plug, we'll go ahead and lay the saw on its side. We'll disconnect the spark plug boot. And then using our 19mm spark plug wrench, we'll go ahead and unthread the spark plug in a counterclockwise direction. Once it's loose, you can just use your fingers to unthread. Then we'll take our replacement spark plug from the YouCan maintenance tune-up kit. We'll go ahead and thread that into the engine with our fingers first, just to get the thread started. And then we'll come back with our 19mm wrench and tighten it until you feel it's snug, and then until it's tight in the engine. Once it's tight into the engine, we'll go ahead and reattach our spark plug boot. Now that the spark plug is in place, we'll go ahead and replace the air filter by simply lifting out the old filter and then replacing it with the new filter from the YouCan maintenance tune-up kit. Now that we have the new air filter in the cover, we'll go ahead and flip the saw back onto the bottom, take the cover, position it back onto the saw, and then secure with the air filter fastening knob. In order to replace the fuel filter, we'll loosen the fuel cap. Then we'll also remove the tether. And then using a hook, we'll go ahead, reach into the fuel tank, and pull out our fuel filter. In order to replace the fuel filter, we'll go ahead and grab the line. Do note there is a clamp on here that keeps the fuel line tight onto the fuel filter, so we just want to hold on to that to make sure that it doesn't fall off. We'll take the old filter out, take the new filter from the kit, we'll reinstall, again ensuring that that clamp stays in place on the fuel line. This completes the installation of our 901/78Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on our top handle model CS271T. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for additional videos.